Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram account permanently in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now click on your profile. Now go to your menu. Press on Account Center. Now click on Personal Details. Here you can see Account Ownership and Control. Go for it. Now press on Deactivation or Deletion. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then press on this delete option. Now press on continue. That's it. So this is how to delete Instagram account permanently in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.